Did you know tie-dye isn't just for summer? And Walmart has these Create Basics tie-dye kits ready to go at rollback prices. Let's see what holiday cheer we can create together. I've got this frosty white cotton table runner and I want to make it merry using an ombre effect. So I place different sections of my slightly damp fabric into separate little bins. And then I add water to my tie-dye bottles up to the fill line. And I'll be using my favorite shades of red and green, surprise, surprise. Give each bottle a good shake and we are ready to get colorful. After applying the dye, I let it sit for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight, and then a quick rinse or 2 or 3. And our cheery holiday season has begun. Let me know what you make and be sure to tag me so I can see your colorful creations. Stay creative and stay crafty.